She's ready to go for a walk, I think. Hey, you're waiting for us, huh? You waiting for us? Good girl. Little one's ready to go. The dog seems very alert this morning, as usual. She's looking off this way to the Evil Dead woods up there. Hold on. We gotta wait for MJ. Geese, dogs, let's go. Come on. It's hailing. It's very, very tiny little hail. You can see it. See it? It's taking it off. Listen to it. It is very cold. I thought it was raining, but no. Little tiny pieces of ice. Okay, here's breakfast. The sausage, egg, McMiller. What a good girl. It's snowing out. What is it? What's going on? Oh, oh my goodness. Ouch. You need a toy. Alright, a very gloomy afternoon. It's been raining. The snow turned into rain. It's been kind of raining all day. Right now it's just kind of spitting. So it's not coming down too much. I'm just taking them for a short walk this afternoon. I don't like the rain that much. Who's down here with me tonight? I watch a little Evil Dead, Ash vs. Evil Dead, and Twilight Zone. Hey, Sleepy. Little sleepy girl. Little sleepy girl. Yeah, you're so sweet and tired.